Now look at this beautiful pasta. They would charge you $25 at the restaurant for this. Probably cost us $2.50. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This is Neil, and today we're going to talk about biggest mistakes that home cooks make when making pasta. Now there's quite a few mistakes that everybody makes, and today we're going to try to correct most of them. The first and most obvious one is mixing oil and water. Do not add oil to pasta water. There's no need for it. Big restaurants do it because they cook pounds and pounds and pounds of pasta, and then after they cook it, they put oil in the pasta to prevent it from sticking. All you have to do is mix it a few times while it's cooking, and don't worry about it. It is not going to stick. So here's what happens when you add oil. There you go. You add oil to your water, it just floats on top. It doesn't mix, so don't do it. The second mistake most of the home cooks make is adding pasta before the water is boiling. Don't do this. Don't add the pasta if the water is not boiling. Water has to have huge big bubbles before you add the pasta. The next common mistakes that home cooks make. You see how this spaghetti looks? This is the way it's supposed to look, okay? It's supposed to be this long. It's supposed to look like that. Don't do this, okay? Don't break the spaghetti to make it fit, okay? Do not do that. Spaghetti is meant to be eaten whole. It holds the sauce better, okay? That's why it's long. It holds the sauce better. Keep it the way it is, cook it the way it is. Don't break it in half. If it doesn't fit, make it fit. If you take your time and you cook it, it's gonna fit. So the next mistake that we home cooks make is not salting the water. Pasta water needs to be like seawater, 7 grams of salt per liter. That's the original Italian recipe. So if you don't live by the beach and you can't go grab yourself some salt water, salted boiling pasta water. Okay, and only salt it after it boils. Don't salt it before it boils. Now that the water's really bubbling, salt it. Next mistake we home cooks make is not saving some of the pasta water. That pasta water is delicious, and it's gonna help us make the best sauce ever. So the next mistake the home cooks make is rinsing pasta water. Why? Why are you rinsing it? You just cooked it. Don't rinse it. Don't rinse it. It's ready to go back into the sauce. There's no reason to rinse your pasta water. I don't get it. Don't do it. When your pasta's done, this is what you do, okay? Don't rinse it. Do not rinse your pasta. So next mistake that home cooks make is when the pasta's done cooking, they just want to take some sauce and dump it on a pasta. Don't do that. Sauce and pasta need to be mixed and combined together with some cheese and butter, okay? Don't just take the pasta and take the sauce and then just dump the sauce on the pasta. Another mistake that we make is not serving the pasta immediately. You cooked your pasta, get the sauce ready, put the pasta in the sauce, serve it immediately. Do not wait. Don't have the pasta sitting around getting cold before you serve it. And the last big thing that people do at home is they don't add anything to their sauce. They just put the sauce on the pasta and call it a day. Don't do that. Put some butter in there, put some cheese in there, make it a nice, beautiful, tasty sauce. So now that we know all of the things not to do, let's make some amazing pasta. It doesn't get any easier than that. Put some sauce in, add some of the water, mix it real good, put some butter in there, just melt the butter, add some cheese, mix it in. Look at this beautiful sauce. Add the pasta. chefs make. Amazing. Look at it. So all you have to do is avoid these common mistakes that we home cooks make, and you'll have yourself a beautiful pasta better than any restaurant. This is all I got for you today, guys. This is Neil from Parks and Pizza. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.